Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe at home. Now for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this beautiful set of curls. Now this is going to be a heatless curling tutorial and I achieved this overnight, not a 5-minute formula thing. I ordered a satin headband from Amazon which looks something like this. Not only this, the entire package comes with 2 set of satin rubber bands and also one clip. You're going to get to know why these things are required in the coming clips. Now before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment using the hashtag HEATLESS. Make sure you guys subscribe and also press the little bell icon. And yes, without further more delay, let's quickly dive straight into this video. Alright, one more thing I want to add up. I have made couple of curling tutorials in the past. In case you are interested, I'll make sure to link them either in the iCard or in the description box below. Go ahead, check it out. Alright, so this is how my natural hair looks like. I know they are very pretty. Never mind, let's do this curling technique. For this, we are going to make use of this headband which I bought from Amazon. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. Apart from that, a jar filled with water. What you need to do next is a sprinkle or dab the water on the strands of your hair. Make sure you don't need to make it very wet. So this is going to help your curls to stay longer. Apart from that, go ahead, make use of the headband, place it right above your head and secure it with the help of the clip that has been provided in the package itself. Take out few sections of your hair right from the front and then twisting it over the headband. Post that, adding few more strands from the front and then twisting it again over the headband. So you just need to repeat this process throughout this entire headband and the results are going to be bang on. Trust me on that. While you reach at the end of the headband, you are going to realize that there are no more strands that you guys could go ahead and take from the front. So just take the remaining strands, roll it over the headband and secure it with the help of the satin rubber band which they have provided in the package. Repeat the steps on the opposite side of your hair and I think we should be good to go. Sleep for good 8 hours and we'll catch you guys in the morning with beautiful set of curls. Good night. Bye bye. Best part of this curling tutorial is detangling part is very simple. You just need to remove the satin rubber band from the ends and post that you need to just release the headband right from the top. Follow the instructions that you guys could go ahead see on the screen and oh my god, can you guys see those defined curls? I am extremely impressed with this technique and I would definitely love to follow this multiple times and I think this set of curls look very beautiful on me. What you guys think, do let me know in the comments down. You need to follow the same set of steps on the opposite side of your hair as well and I'm gonna surprise you with such beautiful defined curls. the final result, and oh my god, I'm already crushing over this set of beautiful curls. I really can't wait to try it multiple times. In case you are interested to try this out, make sure you guys tag me on your Insta stories. My handle goes with the name Pooja_Bera. I would love to feature you guys on my Insta story if you do so. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, I've made couple of curling tutorials in the past as well. In case you're interested, I'll make sure to link them either in the iCard or in the description box below. What are you guys waiting for? Make sure you guys check the playlist after watching this video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.